I remembered one of my first shows nung ako na lang, no, was in Captain's Bar. Captain's Bar, favorite namin yan na venue na performing. Pero maliit lang ang Captain's Bar. Pero alam mo yung talagang, I've never been so nervous. I was more nervous in performing in Captain's Bar than performing in all the other big venues that I performed in. Bakit? Kasi nga sabi ko, shucks, mag-isa na talaga ako, kaya ko ba? And after that, again, it's a small venue. Parang doon ako, parang nasabi ko sa sarili ko, kaya naman pala, kaya ko sa small venue, ito, unti-untihin na natin, na palakihin na natin. Alam mo yan. So, mas siguro naging passionate ako. Why? Because ngayon, ako na talaga nag-iisip, kung ano ba yung gagawin ko, ano ba yung concept, kakantahin ko. It's not a negative thing for Martin. I actually thank him. I always thank Martin because I feel I had to go through that for me to grow up also and mature personally and professionally.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.